Hi guys. Hope you all doing good. I'm planning to start new home assistant series, where I'm showing you guys in India, how I build my entire home into smart, so I'm going to help you and make it an easy way to do it. So let's get started. In episode 1, I'm going to teach you how to flash Home Assistant in SSD and boot from Raspberry Pi with 2.0 GHz speed without getting overheat. Here I'm using WD 128 GB SSD with SATA to USB converter. If you are migrating from an old Home Assistant into a new Home Assistant, then I'll highly suggest you take a backup of your snapshot. If you don't know or don't have a Google backup, check out my installing Google Drive video. After you download, make a backup into your PC. This will help you if you got any error in the installation. Still, we can manage to get back HA into a working state. You need to have a Raspberry Pi Imager flash tool to flash into the SSD. I will leave the link below so you can download it. After downloading, follow the steps along with me. Choose the operating system as a 64-bit light version, which I selected in the video. And select your SSD, or if you still want to use SD card, same steps will be applied. Now click on the settings gear icon and change your SSH username and password. Remember it as we will use it in the video. And flash it. After installing, remove the SSD. If you're using an Ethernet cable, then wait for the green light to flash. If you don't know how to find the IP address of your Raspberry Pi, you can find it by using the Thing app on your mobile. Once you found your IP address, then head back to your computer, open the command prompt or terminal and try SSH user at your IP address. And enter your SSH passcode. If you got this problem, then you need to clear the SSH folder, so use this command. And now let's update the packages by using this command. Don't worry, I'll leave all the commands below which are used in this video. You can copy and paste them. I will show you my current clock speed. Debian 11 already come with 1.8 GHz, but we need more to run smoothly. So we will boost the clock speed, as well as GPU speed. Safety way it won't damage the Pi. But they need more power to run, so need to increase the power also, otherwise your Raspberry Pi won't boot. I will show you the best way. By far this is my best personal config. I forgot to share. I'm using an old CPU fan and it will run with a separate 12 volts. I have been tested with 2.1 GHz speed and the full load temperature has not hit 70 degrees, so 2.0 GHz is a safer side for me. You also need something like this or even more, like a mini radiator to your CPU. They won't heat up. After you decide what value you want to use, restart the Pi. If your Raspberry not booting it up, then change the boot config file from the computer and let me know if you want to solve the issue. Once you boot it up, let's install Home Assistant in Debian 11. Just copy paste my commands. On the right side, clock speed and temperature will be shown, so you will understand how it performs after overclocking. Select Raspberry Pi 4B 64-bit. It will take 3 to 5 minutes depending on your internet. But as you can see, I got the error. But I'm going to ignore it cause I have a backup. Restart the Pi and check. Go to the Chrome and enter your Pi address with port 8123. As you guys can see, even though I got an error in supervisor, it will load now. So wait for the login. It will take up to 20 minutes. For me it took 13 minutes. Don't give any login if you have a backup, then restore from it. It will take time, so please be patient. Click on Restore. Now it will take 5 to 10 minutes. After it loaded, enter your old Home Assistant login details. I will show you the supervisor. It will also back up automatically. That's it guys for this video. In my next episode 1 will show you how to track your devices with GPS, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for presence detection. So do subscribe.